Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must have previously generated Instagram backup codes. On the login screen, enter your username or email and tap Next. Once Instagram asks for the two-factor code, choose Use Backup Code. Now locate the stored backup code from your password manager, screenshot, or printed sheet. This is a one-time code. You're acting because the normal 2FA device is unavailable, so find the first unused backup code and get ready to paste or type it exactly. You now enter the code. Tap Use Backup Code when the two-factor prompt appears, then type one backup code precisely. Instagram accepts only the exact characters. Avoid extra spaces or line breaks. After you submit, Instagram verifies and logs you in if the code was unused. Once logged in, go to Settings, right arrow Security, right arrow two-factor authentication to view or regenerate codes. Make sure to replace used codes and store new ones securely, because each backup code works only once and then expires. After successful login, generate a fresh set of backup codes right away. Go to Security, right arrow two-factor authentication and tap Backup Codes. Save them in a password manager or print and store physically, because reuse is impossible. If none of your saved codes work, don't panic. Try another saved code, confirm no extra characters were copied, and then start account recovery. Follow Instagram's identity verification flow or contact support with government ID if required.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.